Hi, welcome back. Another important T4 session. So, what is the topic now? So, break the link between customer address and sales order address. Okay. The title is little sounding to understand what I wanted to say. If you have any guess, you can comment. If you have any doubts, you can comment. If you like this video, still you can comment and like my video. Okay. Anyhow, what is the approach? Actually, these kind of small things very useful in your support project. That's what I wanted to say. So let me try to show you. So it is XD01 or VA01 or else VA01 or VD01 or else it is FK01 or VA01, whatever it matters, it doesn't matter anything. So now it is the what is the link between your sales order address and customer order address. Okay, let me try to share my screen for SAP. Okay, give me a moment. My request at my end. So if you are not at subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the place where you can able to get more than 500 plus video content. It will give you a lot of information before getting into the real time. If you are already student or else if you are doing regular practice, if you are a professional also, still you wanted to learn early of the career something which you don't know or else you might know, I cannot tell that. Probably you can check all my videos for your learning. So these are my SAP courses. So this is the current videos I'm adding here in this section. So SAP SD sales and distribution in plain English, you can get 100 plus hours, and SAP S4 simple logistics BP concepts. If you really wanted to know, you can try this. And SAP SD complete pricing concept, I have pricing totally 25 hours course. So in that I'm currently, this is already successful. Okay, if you know the basics, if you want to learn different concepts like you know around pricing, okay, condition exclusion or else if you take anything whatever the concepts you wanted, you can try here. You can check the contents, a lot of valuable information which is available. These things, okay, will be asked in entry board certain times to check your IQ. Better go through this course, and if you already tried you are perfect in SAP SD, then try this course, getting master to write functional specification. If you want entry in S4 HANA, you can try all these courses. And apart from that, I have one more course specifically I would recommend for SD consultants. This is for idocs. Okay, you can try all these courses, and you'd like to cover one or two more questions, including activity profile, route determination, and shipping, outbound shipping creation with detailed sections. If you want to try, you can try this course on SAP SD. Don't think that that is not transportation. Okay, transportation is a different module, and S4 HANA with required functionalities, it is inbuilt in upper versions. Okay, so now see this. What I would like to say is, let's create a sales order. Let's try to enter a customer. So what is the customer? Ramki Rao, something got created. Okay, if I click here, okay, if I select and if we click here, you can able to see this kind of address. Okay, so let's do one thing. So now you try to remember, this is Ramki Rao, some text, and this is let's try to enter some material. Okay, I'm saving this one. Okay, so now let me try to change this address in customer master. Automatically sales order, if it is open sales order or else it is delivery created, automatically it will be changed. Okay, certain times you might get certification question or else a tricky interview question. That's why I'm just wanted to tell this. Or else some support users, what they will do it, they will try to do all these stuff things and changes, and after that they will raise a ticket and they will say hands up. This is not done by the total mistake done by consultant. If you don't have, being a support consultant knowledge, you cannot able to analyze the issue, you are gone case. Okay, so nowadays most of the times ECC and ECC above S4 HANA also, probably like 2030 and 2030 above. From today to another 7 years, or else 6 years and plus years. So you will have a most of the time, out of 5 projects, 4 projects will be support projects. Okay, development projects will be less actually. Okay, so then what is this? So let's try to do it. Ram Krishna Drum. Okay, so this is the name. Actually, he is belong to 500106, and this is, I'm putting Kakinada. Okay, and in India, let me put the region as 01 as of now, Andhra Pradesh. That is fine. This is the changes I have done. Let me try to make a changes for like ash 456. Okay, King Street. Some information I have updated. Okay, so these are the changes I have made basically. Okay, okay, so if I press enter, you can able to see what are the changes I made. Okay, probably I expect you are watching the right screen. So let's go to VA02. See, now everything got changed, right? So this is the beauty of auto updation. Auto updation will happen the address. Certain times it should be required. So there is no panic. Like for example, let me try to do the delivery. Okay. For example, you haven't delivered it. This is the open delivery. Okay. Even if you do PG also, nothing will happen. So now go to VA03. Okay. If you press enter, this is fine. Okay, now I would like to change. So subsequent document created, right? But still, okay, I'm adding some text. So street, okay, and 9th Avenue. I'm just adding Kakinada Port. I'm adding. So like that, I have added something like 107. I'm adding just for change. It's not actual address. And don't worry about that issue, like that is a different issue. Okay, so now go to VA02, same sales order. So now a extra dram added, King Street, 9th Avenue, or something like pin code. Previously it is 106 and with 107 I have added, like that Kakinada P I have added. Okay, so like that the address will be automatically updated. But if you look at this order, generally shift to address, for shift to address it's not the right approach, but still I'm telling you can able to modify at a transactional level any place. If you wanted to change the address, you will get these kind of issues also in support. Okay, so that's it. If you really like my videos, please like it. It will give boost to do some more videos, and you subscribe my Udemy courses that will be backup. You can watch in mobile or anywhere. So it is easy for you to get in touch with subjects, so that you need not ask, or else you need not depend on anybody. You can get your job with pride. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Let's catch up next video.